gonna talk about making $20 per hour working at home. I'm gonna give you all the details right now on this video. So what's up guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. It's great to see you here today. It's a beautiful, gorgeous day. I'm feeling amazing and I'm so glad you're here because on this video I'm gonna show you 5 websites that will pay you $20 an hour or more just to stay at home. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. Now, before that, remember to subscribe to my channel right now because I come out with videos every single day that will show you how you can make money online, how to work from home, how you guys can become an entrepreneur, and if you would like to learn how to make a full-time passive income right online, I will share with you some more information on how you can do that. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump into the video. So the first website we're gonna check out is VIP Kid. Now, so if you're the teacher type, well, VIP Kid is a website that will pay you to teach English to kids in China right now from home. So you can earn anywhere from $14 all the way up to $22 an hour, and you can work from anywhere. So anywhere that you wish, you can be at home, the coffee shop, you can be at home, do whatever you want, and you guys can make your own hours. Okay, so as a teacher, you will be teaching kids one-on-one, and each lesson lasts around about a half an hour to 25 minutes and then 5 minutes for a short question answer session. So the kids you will be teaching range in age anywhere from 4 all the way up to 12 years old. Some basic requirements that you guys are gonna need: you must have a bachelor's degree for this, you need some experience teaching kids in the United States and Canada, you're gonna need a desktop or a laptop, or a Mac or machine will work just fine. You need to have a good headset with a microphone. You guys can read all about it over at vipkidteachers.com. Now the next website is Buffer. So Buffer offers social media management solutions. I have used their service before. It's really great service. They allow all their workers to work at home remotely. So they hire for many different positions, from tech developer, engineering jobs, and customer support jobs, which you guys can do. It's over $20 an hour. So if you're curious about how much each position pays, well, they actually post all their salaries right on the website. So you guys are gonna have all this, you can go through this, but you're gonna have like team calls, so you can also travel around the world together multiple times of years. So it's a pretty cool and a pretty fun job to say at least. So go check it out guys. That's over at johnnybuffer.com. The other website is Testing Time. Now this website pays you to give your feedback on different websites. Okay, so the whole sign up process only takes about 5 minutes to complete. Once you sign up, Testing Time will send you notifications via email when they'll be available. Okay, so because the company is located in Switzerland and they are looking for international testers, so the platform has no longer tests around 30 to 50 minutes long. They also pay out more per test than other testing websites on average. It's about like 50 euros per test, so you guys might want to check this out. Now once you complete the test, you're gonna get paid within 7 to 10 business days. Testers are required to have a microphone or webcam. You gotta have a Skype account anyway, but you guys can go ahead and check it out. That's over at testingtime.com. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out the next one. So the other one is Treeplay Media. Now this is a company that provides captioning and transcription services to their clients. Now this company does require you to be a US resident and have a college degree before they will consider you as a transcript editor. Okay, so now what you're gonna be doing is you're going to be listening to audio and then you will transcribe what you hear. The pay is between $10 all the way up to $20 an hour. The company does prefer that you commit to at least 15 hours per week. Note that every job you accept also has a deadline as well. All the payments are made via direct deposit. You can also request a check if you want to. Some of the qualifications: you guys must have some decent communication skills. So you must have a computer, of course, and typing ability up to 75 words per minute. Wow, that's pretty fast. I don't even know if I can type that fast. So the next website is Play. Oh, good start. Now this company hires call agents to remind patients to take their medication. Now you will need to have a good attention to detail in a desire to help people. So work requires internet access, of course, a phone line and a computer. You can expect to earn anywhere from $10 to $20 an hour just reminding people to take their pills. I mean, it seems pretty straightforward. They're only hiring people right now that live inside of the United States. You must be 18 years old or older, but you do not have to have like a special license or anything like that to apply or to do the job. Okay, so go ahead and check it out, guys. So there's 5 websites for you guys that'll pay you up to $20 an hour. Now I mean, at the end of the day, you guys are still trading time for money here. So there you go. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Hey, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you guys want more videos about making money online, working from home and becoming an entrepreneur, well, subscribe now, because I create videos every single day, and this way if you subscribe I will send you an update whenever I come out with a new video. So you guys don't miss anything. You guys make it an awesome day. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.